Hello folks, Bob Rogers here, and guess what? I'm learning how to kayak surf. Today we're back in my hometown of Laie at HUKILAU Beach Park, and we're going to be going out to our surf spot at JANAGATORS about a quarter-mile out.
I'm a little coconut in a coconut tree, swinging all day long in the tropical breeze.
After multiple visits to Kawela Bay since our last episode, I had a lot of key takeaways. I also checked out some videos on YouTube. Well, I need to stay away from shallow waters and also stay away from other surfers until I can master turning on the kayak. I also learned to rotate my paddle so it's flat, extended out like an outrigger, helping me keep my balance. I understand what to do now. Can I execute the game plan? Well, right off the bat I screwed up and wasn't prepared to handle this oncoming wave. As I mentioned earlier, the waves are much bigger here.
Girls in bikinis, itsy teeny weeny yellow polka dot bikini. Well, I'm a little coconut, I couldn't do much, so I worked on my tan till it was time for lunch. Then along came a girl, she had the smell of pink hockey. She dusted me up, stuck me in her backpack.
I self-rescued myself, which I'm getting fairly good at, and got myself lined up for the next wave.
Was I in a movie? Suicide during patient.
I also learned that if you have speed and a little power behind you, you're going to be more stable in the kayak. Kind of like when you're on a bicycle.
Was my limo. And then I realized this wasn't California.
Hey, I did pretty good, huh? Maybe I'm getting the hang of this. I even turned a little bit. Alright, I'm paddling out for the next wave. Yikes! A large oncoming wave. I need to make sure I'm aimed straight into the wave, paddle hard, lean back so my nose on the kayak rises, and hopefully I puncture through the wave. Alright, let's try another wave. See how I use that paddle to stabilize myself? Alright, I'm back out again. I'm setting up for another wave, and all of a sudden I see another oncoming wave which is already broken. Can I get the kayak turned around fast enough to punch through that wave? Nope.
Will you remember this coconut boy?
I'm tossed again, and this time I lost my hat. Bummers, man.
My sugar.
Though I'm not really ready, I try to catch a small wave and I wobble too much and fall back into the water. I guess I'm getting tired. A couple more waves roll through and I struggle to get back on board. The idea is to get back on board, recover my paddle, and paddle my way around or through the wave. I didn't see this wave coming, and I was barely on when it hit me broadside, tossing me. This time I did not have time to get my paddle. You remember the paddle has a leash, which is attaching me to the kayak. Well, the wave rips the kayak away from me and pushes it toward the shore, with the other GoPro camera capturing all the action. I lost the hat, now I lost the kayak. I'm still about a quarter-mile out and have to swim in to retrieve the boat, even though I have no idea where it is. Where will the current take it? And a worse scenario is, how will I swim with a baggy rash guard shirt, gloves, reef walker shoes, a hat, and my other GoPro mounted on my chest? Well, I find a way, I crawl, backstroke, and it takes me a long time to get to shore, and I'm exhausted. Once I'm on shore, I still can't see the kayak. I fear that it might have been pulled out in the current and out towards the depths of the ocean. I walked along the shore and finally saw the sleek orange vessel floating aimlessly across Laie Bay. The GoPro was still on, It's recording the rescue attempt. I borrowed a stand-up paddleboard and paddled out to my golden riderless water chariot. I attached the stand-up to the kayak and made my way back to shore.
I'm a little coconut and falling far. I guess I wasn't gonna be the rock and roll star, 'cause now I'm coconut pudding. So when you're at the
I returned the stand-up board to these very nice visitors from Chicago who let me borrow their rented board. Really nice people. So I took a long swim in the ocean today. I'm exhausted from the swim and the multiple self-rescues from falling overboard. I need to learn more. Let's see what I can come up with by next episode. You guys have an awesome week. Be healthy, safe, and happy campers. Aloha.
sweet, sweet, sweet Howdia. Sweet, sweet, sweet Howdia.